guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome to another BusyHive video. We're just having a bit of fun today about funny things that our clients have said. Well, not all of these, but some of them are funny scenarios that we've actually come across that our clients have said to us.
Some of them are funny, some of them are hilarious, some of them probably not funny, but that's her ideas. So they're not funny, mine are hilarious. Yeah, so guys, hope you enjoyed that. Thumbs up if you liked it, and yeah, laugh a little bit with BusyHive here.
Yes, and if you've got any other videos that you'd like to see us do, then please get in contact in the comments and let us know.
So how many massages do you do every day? Like,
5 or 6.
You must be exhausted. Do your hands hurt?
So, how can I help you today?
So I have a really tight ankle. It's painful when I run. I have a pain on the side of the knee. I think my shoulder just doesn't move because it's really painful. Okay, my wrist when I write. I have a shoulder and a neck problem, and I have my lower back problem. Can you fix me in one session?
Are they like the tightest hamstrings you've ever come across? I bet they are, aren't they? I bet no one else exercises as much as I do. Are they? Are they the tightest hamstrings? I bet they are. Hi, come on in and take a seat. So how can I help you?
I just eaten. Can I still have a massage?
So how can I help?
Yeah, you can come. Definitely, yeah, it'll be alright. Yeah, it'll be right. I ask. Yeah, it'll be right. Just come over. So, my friend's coming in here, so we can have the hour split in half, so I can have one half and he have another half. Look, can you just massage me? Don't tickle me, please. No, I'm really stressed. I had really bad feelings at job. You just please sort me out. I'm just go.
I'm so sorry. I just didn't have time to shave. Is that all right?
Your hands are cold. No, we had a great session, so I got to book you booked in for the next week on Tuesday at 4 o'clock.
Yeah, that's brilliant. I was having a think, because the sessions are quite expensive, so I'm going to bring my husband along next week. So if you can just show him what you do when I'm led here, then I don't need to come back. That's all right, yeah?
Oh my God, your hands are so soft. Oh, this is so good. Can I take you home? You can massage me all the time. Like all the time. No, I definitely we can work on your neck and head, like just to get rid of those headaches which you complain about.
Brilliant, that'd be fantastic. But don't mess with my hair because I've just washed it, and don't use any oil or anything because I'm going out later. That'd be brilliant.
We're gonna start massage. I'm just gonna work on your leg here.
Just before you start, can you like not touch me? Can you do that? Yeah. I'd much rather if you can just do it, but just don't touch me, okay? Cool.
Is my shoulder the worst? Is there like lots of knots and stuff? Like, yeah?
Yeah.
No, they must be the worst one you massaged before.
Just relax.
So, we're gonna work on your back because, they complain about, the shoulder and just a rotation problem. So our session gonna be focused on the back, okay?
Yeah, that's exactly what I need. But I was on holiday last week and I've really sunburnt my back, so I can't lie on my back. But also, I can't lie on my front. You can't rub my back, but you can still fix me, yeah?
So how can I help?
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go, 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 go!
Yeah. Okay. You made me jump. Sorry, do it again.
Do your hands hurt? Do they?
Only with people with big muscles, so you're fine.